Alright, so today I have my 1998 Ford Expedition here. They're all kind of, if they look like this, they're all basically the same. And you'll notice that the wiper, this one specifically, has stripped out such that there's like a little spline right here, and it isn't holding anymore. Basically, I can move that back and forth. And what happened was there was snow on the windshield this last winter, and I turned it on and it didn't have enough snort to push the snow, and it actually just stripped out inside here. So we're gonna get this repaired. You can go get a new wiper arm and do all this, and maybe that's what we'll need, but I'm gonna try and fix what we got. First thing you wanna do is take like a little screwdriver and get down in here and pull this little cap off. And then take that nut off of there. So you can see all the little stripped out aluminum and junk that's all in there. And then if you look on the back here, you can see, pretty clearly that it's all stripped out. And there's the little splines that are no longer gripping. So we'll see if we can get this thing fixed. Alright, so what I have here is a center punch. It's one of the ones where if you push it, it like snaps. And I'm going to get down inside there on that taper. This arm, that end of that arm is aluminum, and I'm going to hit it and make a bunch of dimples in it to kind of distort the surface. Alright, now you can see that down in there I got a bunch of little punch marks, and those are kind of like knurling that end so that it has better bite. You can see it's mushroomed out and kind of distorted that surface pretty good. So I might fill in a couple of the bare spots, like there's maybe a bare spot, but just generally speaking, I'm going to put a bunch of these little dots around the inside. Alright, so we're back out on the vehicle. I'm going to put a bunch on this taper as well to kind of get some more bite. Alright, so that's pretty much all the way around. There's a little spot on the bottom here that's kind of tough to get to with the little punch. But basically went all the way around and speckled it pretty good. So now all we gotta do is try it and put it back and get it tightened down. To get this all sitting right, you wanna have, them off so you know it's down. And then usually there's a pretty good witness mark on the windshield. You can kind of see where they go, but that's a pretty good guess. You can always adjust as needed. And then we'll use the impact to buzz this nut down pretty tight. Alright, and don't forget to put your little cover back on there. Let's try it out. Okay, that's holding on there pretty good. Like I say, I can't get that to pull off of there. You can fight it pretty good, but it's got a pretty good bite on there, so I would say it's definitely improved. Of course, if it happens again, I don't know, eventually you're just going to run out of meat on these and have to replace the actual arm itself. But for right now, that gets us back on the road with effectively $0. Thanks for watching.